Hi class 302. So this is going to be the last video for today. It is now 2:50 and we have officially finished our first day of online learning. I can't tell you how proud I am of you guys for signing in and taking the online classes and assignments very seriously. As you can see, we have 27 of our students signed on. That means 100% of our students have logged on today and have taken a look and completed our lessons. So I'm so extremely proud of you guys, and I want you to keep up the good work. The teachers of PS 249, we're working really hard to make sure that you're supported and that you're getting the materials and the lessons that are needed. So give yourself a hug, kiss your brain, and pat yourself on the back. I am extremely happy and excited that all of our students are now online. So keep up the good work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.